Hello everybody and welcome to the August kit for the Stationery Selection. I am super excited about this kit. I just got it in and I have seen a couple sneaks and I'm very excited. So I've got my little cheat sheet here and I'm going to pull everything out and go through the items one by one. Let's jump right in. First item is in this bag. Now, I gotta say, I'm super duper excited about these particular items. Holding them in my hand is so much fun. Okay, so the first is this stamp. And this is an exclusive collaboration between Hank O'Dory and the Stationery Selection, and you guys already know I'm in love with it. I mean, look at that. It's adorable. And then we also got a mini Sachihara little ink pad, and I love this color. We're going to test it. I have to take the little sticker thing off so we can test it, but we're going to test that. The next item is really interesting looking. It's from Penco. And it is what they're calling a bullet pencil. And you can post this and still get the lead out. So I really love that. I love that this doesn't retract. But I also just love that you can cap and post a pencil. I think that's really fun. I love the color of it. It's a little bit clear. And you can post it or not if you want. It doesn't matter. It still works either way. And I don't know, I just think it's really fun. I really love the design. I think it's really compact and fun, and it really goes well with the color here. The next item is from Midori, and it is a sticker sheet, and it kind of has like a cafe kind of vibe. Oh, there's two sheets. Oh my God, that's so fun. Okay, so the first one, we've got some plannery type stuff. We've got pens and planners and notebooks, but we've also got some flowers and lamps, and we've also got some treats and coffee, and it's just everything. It's just like a planner meetup on a sticker sheet. And then we also have some of these really fun accent stickers, which I love the colors for. So we've got some washi strips, some coffee beans, some circles, half circles, triangles, and regular squiggles. And I really like this one with the border. I think that's really pretty, but how cool is that? There's two different sheets in like one pack. All right, the last item in this kit, and I have to say, I'm wildly, sickeningly excited about this. It is a onion skin notebook. Now, let me open it up really quick. I know onion skin has gotten really popular over the past couple of years and really desirable. Everybody is trying to get that nostalgia, that old world style experience when it comes to paper. And I have always been one of those people. I have a huge personal onion skin collection just because I love using it. But there was also another company that came out, the Onion Skin Journal. I have several of those as well, but her onion skin is very slick and almost like Tomoe River paper, just very like clean and crisp. This notebook, okay, so first of all, you can see it's really quite thick, but when you really don't put any pressure on it, you can see the paper really spreads out really well. The paper is breathing really, really well. It's not staying compressed. It's not staying thin. It's going to breathe. It's going to spread, and I love that. And that is the nature of true, proper, like cockled onion skin. I think you can see it really well. See how there's all these waves here? There's all this texture, and listen. We're talking about proper onion skin. This is the onion skin paper experience that we all need. And I opened this up. I've never heard of this company before I got this box, which I think is even more exciting. It's from Dress Co. And I love the little peacock. That's so cute. I've never heard of them, but I'm definitely going to look into them and see if they have different sizes, because I typically prefer working in bigger notebooks. This is close to like a B6 size, and oh, it's so dreamy. It feels really good in the hands, but I just feel like it's going to be a little bit small for me. So it's going to be a little bit tricky for me to figure out how to use this. There's so much paper in here. It's a thick book. I wonder if it says exactly how much paper is in here. Oh, look, they have all of these other items as well. Onion skin letter set. Yes, please. I don't see anywhere. I think this is just advertisement for their other stuff. I don't see anywhere how much paper is in here. But yeah, this is really fun. The only thing you need to really know about onion skin, first of all, is this paper is cockled, so there's a texture. It handles fountain pen and every kind of watercolor or any kind of ink really, really well. It's really not going to struggle through that. That's the beauty of onion skin paper, is it has a lot of the same qualities as Tomoe River paper in terms of what it can handle, but the experience is just better. Oh gosh, just the crinkle is really good. Now, I don't know about this particular kind of onion skin. I'm just speaking on my experience through other onion skin paper, but everybody is different. Let's go ahead and take this little sticker off so we can test the paper and see kind of what we're working with. Because again, like I said, everybody's paper is different, but that experience is going to be fun because it's onion skin. Sorry if you can hear Clara in the background. Ooh, I like this pad. It's like hard but juicy. Like the actual pad is hard, but the ink is very wet. Just make sure that I'm like properly in frame here. Very squishy because I'm working at the back. Oh, I love that color. How clean is that? A little bit of shadowing. I wouldn't even say ghosting. I would say more of shadowing, but that's the kind of experience that you're going to get like across the board when you're using, you know, old style paper like this. All right, so I wrote with the pencil. I'm going to test out other mediums as well. We've got the ballpoint pen from last month. But this is just a ballpoint. Try to see what I've got just hanging around. We've got an Emmett pen here. This one was kind of dry. I've been using this one like crazy. And then let's find a fountain pen. All right. All right, so there's a fountain pen. Let's try this. This is a Kokoyu marking pen, but this is that gray ink. We got this a couple months back. Oh, I forgot how much I like that one. So, I mean, you're going to see a little bit of shadow, a little bit of ghost, but that's the nature of the beast when it comes to this thinner paper. But I don't know. I like it. The experience doesn't bother me. I think the hardest part for me is going to be using this size, but I'm sure I will figure out a way because the paper is just so dreamy. I just want you guys to be able to see that cockled finish because that is where it's at. Okay. All right. The kids are getting rambunctious. Clara is yelling at me, so I am going to have to go, but we have the notebook, the stamp, the sticker sheets, and this adorable little bullet pencil from Penco. I think this is really good. It does feel a little bit light, and that's fine. Mitz made some additional content to sort of like gap the rest of it. We've got some, I think there's a printable and a video. I think there's a couple videos actually. So if you're interested in adding a little bit more to your kit, you absolutely can. So that's it for me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you have fun playing with your kit. If you are not a subscriber, I would encourage you so that you don't miss anything in the future. And I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much. Bye.